Everyone, let's begin with this question. Find the minimum value of, and then they give us this equation. So every time when I see the word minimum value, the very first thing that I think of would be the vertex. So it will be something like this, like a minimum value. So smiley face like that. It could be here, it could be here, it could be here. I don't know. It doesn't matter. I just know that the shape is a smiley face. Okay. This is the Cartesian plane, by the way. So how do we do this? Step one, complete the squares. We talked about this earlier. Completing the squares, we need to go like this. 18 divided by 2 square minus 5, and then minus 18 squared. Sorry, 18 over 2 squared. So what happened in here? Well, we need to add a number and subtract the same thing. So technically, we didn't do anything. These two equations are still equivalent. So if you can recall, we had this little guy. And to find the third number, we need to go b over 2 squared. That is why we have 18, which is the b. So a is 1, b is 18, and c is negative 5. So that's why we have 18 over 2 squared. That would be the equation. Then I clean this up a little bit. X squared plus 18x plus 18 over 2 is 9. 9 squared is 81. Minus 5 minus 81. And we can factor the first part. So that would be x plus 9. So by now, you should be able to factor this in your head. But if you can't, you can still do x, 9, 9, and then 9x plus 9x, which is 18x. Add that. That's how I got that. And you need to put it into this format. X plus 9 squared minus 86. So the vertex in here would be negative 9, negative 86. So let me write down the general equation for the vertex. Y equals x minus h squared plus k. And the vertex in this case would be h and k. So you see negative h, we have positive 9. So I need to put a negative 9 in here. And then for the k part is positive, and this is negative, so I keep it as negative. Okay. And now, if we were to sketch the graph, we know that it is something like this. Negative 9 and a negative 86. So negative 9 is here. Negative 86 is somewhere down here. I'll just say that's negative 86. And then it will have a minimum. So something like this. The axis of symmetry would be this part. So anything that cuts through the parabola, then that would be the axis of symmetry. X equals to negative 9. So axis of symmetry would be x equals to -9. And then we're done.